What is Jeffrey up to? What is this, Jeff? What have you bought, mate?
Oh, since Aaron was here the other day talking about rallying, I thought, why not give it a crack again?
So is this a rally car?
Yeah, she's fully caged. Cam's caged actually, 6-point.
Yeah.
Stripped.
It's got all the goodies, eh?
All the goodies. It's already got fire extinguisher.
Look at this.
Quick release steering wheel.
Far out.
And an exhaust leak.
Sparko seat. Exhaust leak, was that for free?
Oh, that's just a race car thing, mate.
Yeah, right. Did you go to Marketplace and look up the cheapest race car and this popped up?
Pretty much.
That's the go. That's the go. We'll have to get you in the hill climb. What do you reckon?
Oh, we'll see if they'll let me in it.
Beautiful, mate. Hey, beautiful.
What's going on here?
Mate, we got a rally car to build, eh?
Yeah.
Front wheel drive, eh, this thing?
Front wheel drive, yep.
Well, you couldn't get the all wheel drive model, mate.
Ah, couldn't afford it.
They don't sell them for $2 grand a pop, eh?
Nah, but 85 kilowatts of fury.
Wuss, eh? You reckon you can handle that power?
Probably not.
I'll make it more excited.
Yeah, definitely. We'll put some slicks on it and see how she goes.
Yeah, I like it. What do we got here, mate?
Oh, the
The new one.
New one, yeah.
1040, eh?
Yeah, she's got a big case on it.
What's this? A fuel filter?
Yeah.
Jeez, you're gonna spoil this thing.
I gotta find it first.
What, the fuel filter?
Yeah.
What's this? Oil filter?
Yeah.
That's small, eh? Oh. The big exhaust on it.
Look how the adjustable arms are on the back.
Not even dumped.
He's got more adjustment than my Casita.
Holy. That's insane.
Looks like we've already got GK Tech rod ends in here too.
Far out. Is this all custom?
Yeah, all Camry shit and bits and bobs. First look under it, so. What you doing?
Working on this piece of shit, Jeff.
Finally working on a Toyota, mate.
Oh, mate. Alright, Toyota, you know, multi-billion-dollar company, right? All the smartest people in the world, right? And, you know, you regularly change your oil filter, right? So where they put it? Fucking halfway up bumfuck. Dumb bloody.
Up there somewhere.
Oh, mate. And I don't have them little Japanese hands.
Oh, well, she'll be right.
They're out of control, Toyota, mate. How's the oil look there, Jeff?
Nice and thin.
Nice and thin.
Not. Oh, mate, I was racing this, and I don't know. Well, the fuel filter's never been changed. The oil filter's in a prick of a spot, so you probably never done anything.
No maintenance, you reckon?
No maintenance.
Well, we'll spruce her up, mate.
Spruce her up, she'll be good as new. If she doesn't make Mount Morgan, she'll be hitting the next rallycross track or
Yeah.
Gymkhana somewhere.
Definitely, mate, definitely. We'll get her rolling again, rolling hard.
Oh, actually, it's not that dirty when you're looking at it and with the light going through it.
Oh yeah. Yeah, not bad.
Compared to the patrol.
Well, there's a few metal pieces on the end of the bung here, Jeff.
Fuck it, it's $2 grand.
Blah. Didn't fall for it, eh?
Hey?
Didn't even fall for it. Yeah, because it's a Toyota, eh?
Toyota, mate. I've recently gone to the dark side, as everyone says it. Now it's 3 Toyotas and 1 Nissan, and the way Nissan's going, might need to get rid of it too.
Might need a Mazda, mate.
No, I can't go that fucking far.
Rotary town.
Unless it's an FD, maybe, but we'll see.
We'll see, eh?
So we're having a slight argument at the moment with the placement of the factory fuel filter, which is down there somewhere.
Does it need fuel, Jeff?
Unfortunately, yeah, and the way how shit that looks like a factory one.
Can it run off batteries? We'll put a Tesla motor in it.
Nah, mate, we're good.
Hey? Quick! Oh.
The only thing Elon's good for is making my crypto go up.
Crypto, eh?
But he's fucking shot that in the ass.
He made it. Oh! Yeah, boy!
It's down, it's somewhere.
He made it. He made the crypto go down.
Yeah.
We didn't go to the moon. It went to Mount Morgan.
I'd hate to be doing this at home on the ground, I can tell you that much.
Hey mate, this is why we're at the Fish and Drift headquarters, mate.
That's it.
Make it easier. Are you going in for a lucky dip? What have you got here?
We're going around.
Oh, there it is.
It's off.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Well, that's half the job done. Don't even need a new one, mate. She's good.
Nah, she's fucking ratchet, ain't she?
Look at the colour of the fuel.
Pretty clean, but...
Nothing wrong with that, mate. She'll be singing now, mate.
Oh yeah, let's hope so. We'll take it for a test run and...
She'll be singing. Once this guy goes in. Look at that. Beauty. What are we doing, mate?
I'm trying to get that bottom fuel line on.
That one in there?
Yeah, she's been a prick.
Jeez. Righto. I'm going in. Oh.
So I've got to twist that for fuel filter, sort of, you know?
Yeah, definitely. Let's get on the piss, alright?
Making a mess, no funnel.
What's going on here? But you know the well's run out of oil, and you're just dropping it all over the ground.
Yep.
Yeah, people like you is why we're not going to have motor cars in the next 10 years, mate.
Yeah?
Yeah. I bet you drop, buddy, 3 litres of fuel every time you, buddy, pump your car up. Oh, again! Again! Jeez.
Ah, shit happens. No funnel.
No funnel, eh? Look at that. Look at that liquid. What are you doing? It's not enough.
No, I'm just fucking cleaning up.
You got a half litre on the ground.
Half a litre.
At least.
100 mil, mate.
Oh, you just done that just to pretty up the valve cover, eh?
Yeah, yeah.
A little bit of shine on it. Oh, no pressure. Oh. Swished her.
Only the best.
She's a goer, mate.
Running.
Look at that, she's purring. Woo! Loves it.
Let's see how she goes, eh?
Yeah. So what's this, the big test to see if she's going to go on the Mount Morgan hill climb, mate, or what?
Well, I'll see if there's any rattles and bangs, and there will be scrapes while the coilover's got bugger all clearance, so...
Yep.
You have to change the offset in the front wheels at least.
Yeah.
We'll see if it goes around a corner first, and Well, I've got videos of it going around the corner. So, first time, let's see how we go. The seat's not comfortable at all.
Righto, so might need to change that.
Yeah. Or lose weight, one or the other.
We only got 2 weeks, mate.
The noises.
Sounds like it's clicking on the...
Nah, do you hear something knock?
Oh, just that first time.
We'll take it for a run and see.
Righto.
Knock in the front we've got to find.
Right, back on the hoist, eh?
Yeah.
Let's go. Well, you reckon we found the knock, Jeff?
I think so.
What do you got here?
Lower control arm.
Let's have a look. Oh, mate!
Do it again.
Just a little bit loose. Yeah. How's that one, mate?
Yeah, right.
Sort him out.
Jeez.
The right size, mate?
It's fucking 921, but...
Very 20. How many torques that, mate?
2 megaloos.
2 megaloo torques.
Yeah.
Righto. 2 megaloos. Same both sides, eh?
Yeah. We'll see.
Oh, another test run?
You can have a test run.
Oh, righto. Oh no. She's a bit tight in here, mate, eh?
Oh, if I can fit.
You reckon?
I'll just.
I got a big booty. Oh my god. Oh, windscreen wipers on. Oh.
You in it or on it?
I'm amongst it. Feel the power. Look at
Is that actually on? Doesn't look like it.
Oh, no.
Does it click?
It's a bit rough, mate.
No, fucking do it properly.
Alright, wipers.
Headlights.
Yeah, no knocks, eh?
No, not now.
She's not bad, mate, eh? Can't give me a run for me money in this thing, mate.
Not bad for a Facebook marketplace, boy.
Yeah, it's easy to get in and out. Oh,
Steering wheel, mate.
oh mate. It's a proper race car, eh? Oh. Hey, Jeffrey, for $2 grand, I think you got yourself a little bit of a winner here, eh?
Who knows? See what happens.
It's front wheel drive, but you know what? It's still fun. Still doing it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, that's the go. That knock's gone anyway, so I think the coilovers just need a bit of adjusted.
Too stiff.
Yeah, that's what's they're knocking. The springs are knocking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Other than that,
Fix a seat and we might be able to book it in.
winner.
See how we go.
Righto, so pretty much Jeff might be putting this car into the Gold Rush. So before we make a final decision, if we are going to put it in the Gold Rush, because we only got 2 weeks to go, Jeff should have the final drive to see if he's happy with it mechanically.
We'll see, we'll give it a test run and you can smell a bit of clutch, I don't know, but we'll see.
Yeah, I'm good at riding clutches though, mate. So no, we're better off.
Something a bit heavier.
Better off you just having to drive and we'll make our decision, eh?
Yeah, no use rushing it either too.
That's it, right.
Yeah. Right.
That clunked, eh?
Yeah. Something's not right.
Nah.
Nah.
Alright, bring her in, mate.
No fluid in it, or didn't check the clutch fluid.
Yeah, we never checked it, did we? Right, let's have a look. Oh, I reckon might be full, mate. We'll have a look.
No, it's not fluid. Might pay just to put a clutch in it and get some slicks and a proper seat, and we'll go for the next one, maybe next event.
Right,
Focus more on the getting 33 right.
so that might be the final decision, mate, eh?
I think we might as well not risk it.
Not rush this one. We only got 2 weeks left.
Yeah.
We still got probably another week left on the Skyline for the prep side of things there. I know I was very keen to get Jeffrey driving this hill climb, but
Always the next one.
yeah, there's always the next one, that's right. So,
We'll go to Cairns, we'll go to Brisbane, we'll go somewhere.
well, that's it. This is only the start of our journey, mate.
Wait to see the colour scheme.
Hey, that's a teaser.
Yeah, it's going to be interesting.
That's it. Righto, guys. Make sure you comment, like and subscribe.
Shout out to Drift Bunny for the inspiration on the paint scheme.
That's it, eh? Right, see you on the next one. Cheers.